We are dropping from deep space straight into the Arctic to crack open the ultimate planetary ice vault. Forget the green maps. This island is a massive hostile wasteland with 80% of its surface buried in ice, slicing straight down through the center. The scanner's red line at a mind-bending 10,000 feet of solid ice. But it's being attacked from below. Radioactive-red geothermal heat violently pushes up from the Earth's crushing crust. On the surface, terrifying dark blue vortexes called moulins aggressively suck billions of gallons of meltwater into the abyss. Underwater sensors map a massive hidden network of subcontinental rivers, violently rushing in the pitch black. At the coast, titanic calving events violently rip the ice face apart, unleashing apocalyptic tsunami-level kinetic force. Thermal maps expose a lethal, undetected invasion. Boiling Atlantic waters aggressively melt the glaciers from the bottom up. Futuristic submersibles dive deep to reveal catastrophic structural damage, violently undercutting the entire foundation. The alarms are screaming! This massive island is violently hemorrhaging over 500,000 tons of ice every single minute. If this entire vault collapses, the global sea level will violently surge by a catastrophic 24 feet. Simulation engaged! A massive wall of water would aggressively drown the Statue of Liberty and absolutely crush the New York skyline. This isn't just ice. The sheer, crushing weight of Greenland violently presses the Earth's solid crust deep into the mantle. When the ice violently shifts, it triggers massive magnitude 5 ice quakes that literally shatter the ground. As the ice melts, the pressure drops, and the crushed bedrock violently rebounds, changing the actual shape of the planet. Radar tracks the northeast ice stream aggressively surging forward like a massive, unstoppable frozen highway. Fast forward to today. The radioactive red melt zones have violently exploded, increasing by 10 times their original size. Infrared scanners expose thousands of eerie, glowing blue lakes, aggressively destabilizing the surface from the top down. Lethal katabatic winds violently rip off the high ice caps, screaming toward the ocean at terrifying hurricane speeds. Billions of tons of fresh water violently slam into the salty fjords, aggressively disrupting the entire global ocean conveyor belt. Deep core samples reveal a ticking time bomb. Lethal ancient methane bubbles are violently waiting to be unleashed. We drop ROVs into the abyss to monitor the very last frozen shelves desperately holding the ice back. The threat level is critical. Greenland is the ultimate radioactive trigger that could violently cascade across the entire globe. Isolated research stations are locked in a desperate, high-tech battle against the clock to map the destruction. We rip backward into space as the ice vault fractures. Greenland is making its final terrifying stand.